How to read trend strength, the hidden skill most traders ignore. Average retail traders focus on direction. Professionals focus on strength. In every market, whether Nifty is trending, consolidating, or reversing, trend strength decides everything. Two traders can take the same direction, but only one survives because they understand when the trend is strong, when it's weakening, and when it's about to trap them. Most traders obsess over the trend direction. But direction is just the headline. Strength is the real story. Today's episode will teach you how to read trend strength visually, emotionally, and structurally. A skill that transforms how you interpret the Indian stock market. Relatable trader problem. You've definitely experienced this. Nifty rallies for 4 to 5 candles. You feel momentum is strong. You enter confidently. The very next candle reverses sharply. Your SL gets hit, and then the market resumes the trend without you. This happens because the trend looked strong, but wasn't. Or the opposite. You skip a move because candles look slow. Suddenly momentum explodes. And you feel like the trend ran away. Both problems come from not reading trend strength correctly. Understanding strength gives traders the clarity to stop chasing late moves and start recognizing early momentum shifts. Visual explanation, support with charts examples. Let's break trend strength into 4 simple visual components. Candle size. Strong trend. Consecutive large-bodied candles. Small wicks. Closes near the high, uptrend, or near the low, downtrend. Weak trend. Small candles. Wicks on both sides. Indecision structures like doji or spinning tops. Wide, unstable candles after news events. Highs and lows, market structure. Trend strength is not direction. It's the quality of the structure. Strong uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Pullbacks are shallow, supports hold cleanly. Weak uptrend. Higher highs but deep pullbacks. Breaks of structure on smaller time frames. Frequent falls, breakouts. Volume behavior. Volume confirms strength. Strong trends. Increasing or stable rising volume. Volume spikes at breakouts. Low volume on pullbacks. Weak trends. Falling volume while price rises. No follow-through volume after breakout. High volume on opposite direction candles. Momentum flow. Momentum follows sequences. Strong trend. 3 to 5 candles move directionally. Fast follow-up candles. Tight consolidation before continuation. Weak trend. Slow grinding movement. Lazy candles. Frequent wick rejections. When these 4 components align, trend strength is high. When they break alignment, the trend is weakening. Market psychology behind trend. Strength. Trend strength is nothing but buyer and seller conviction visualized on price. A. Strong trends indicate agreement. When trends are strong, buyers agree on price. Sellers stop resisting. Institutions push positions gradually. Emotional buying occurs late. This alignment creates sustained movement. Weak trends indicate conflict. Weak trends tell you. Neither side is fully convinced. Smart money may be unloading. Retail is buying at the wrong time. Price is moving, but energy is missing. Weak trends often precede reversals. The psychology of traps. When traders misread strength, they enter at the worst point. They overestimate momentum. They get trapped exactly where institutions want liquidity. Understanding trend strength helps avoid these traps. Common mistakes traders make. Mistake 1. Confusing direction with strength. Just because price is rising doesn't mean the trend is strong. Mistake 2. Entering after extended candles. If the trend has already traveled far, strength is often already consumed. Mistake 3. Ignoring pullback depth. Deep pullbacks is equal to weak trend. Mistake 4. Blindly relying on indicators alone. Indicators confirm, they don't predict. Price action shows strength earlier. Mistake 5. Selling when pullbacks look scary. Retail often exits perfectly healthy trends because they misread temporary pauses as weakness. How to understand or apply it? Education only, not advice. Here is an educational framework for reading trend strength. Use the 3-layer strength scan. Layer 1. Candle strength. Ask: are candles large or small? Are closes clean or messy? Are wicks increasing? Increasing wicks is equal to weakening trend. Structural strength. Check: higher highs and higher lows. Is the trend line clean? Are support zones respected? If structure breaks, strength breaks. Layer 3. Momentum and volume. Check: is volume supporting the direction? Are momentum bursts fading? A trend without volume is a trend without conviction. Multi-time frame strength confirmation. On 15 minutes micro trend strength. 1 hour true trend health. Daily institutional narrative. If lower time frame is strong but higher time frame weak, traps possible. Trend strength zones. Strong trend zones. Tight consolidation before expansion. Quick rejection of pullbacks. Weak trend zones. Sideways movement at highs. Wicks increasing near supply resistance. Understand that strength changes before direction. Most traders wait for reversals to confirm weakness. Professionals read weakening strength before reversal happens. Strength weakens, momentum slows, direction changes. Reading strength helps you anticipate the shift. In summary, trend strength is the invisible force that determines whether a trend will continue, whether a breakout will sustain, whether a pullback is healthy or dangerous, whether price is preparing for expansion or reversal. When traders stop focusing only on direction and start studying strength, their chart reading becomes sharper, calmer, and more consistent. Tomorrow in the Sunday Weekly Market Outlook, we will connect this concept with Nifty and Bank Nifty's broader structure, understanding where trend strength may build or weaken in the coming week. I'll see you tomorrow for the Weekly Outlook.